Just rip my face off as Powell talks tapering. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Friday, August the 27th. Wow, what a day it has been so far, and of course it is. The markets are exploding to the upside, and I think just about every single market is doing so. Powell had his speech released, and of course things took off, and then of course I guess he's talking now. Who knows? What a waste of time, whatever he's saying. But the markets are reacting, and of course they're thin, which makes it even a bigger problem. In the meantime, this update is brought to you by our friends at Family Farms. They're great to help farmers. They do all the stuff that farmers don't want to do. And if you want to check them out in your farmer, go to familyfarmsgroup.com/Bubba-trading. That's familyfarmsgroup.com/Bubba-trading. In the meantime, look, at the end of the day, the markets are popping. Okay, you've got the Dow up 238, you got the Nasdaq at 150, you got the S&P up 34, Russell up almost 300. Okay, they could all, by the time you get this, they could all be on the other side of the equation. But in the meantime, that's where they are right now, and they continue to explode higher. Crude oil is up $1.35. Again, everything seems to be going in an upward bias. We are still short crude, and the bonds and the notes are higher. We are long bonds and now short notes. We sold notes today. Okay, so we are long one, short the other, which kind of ties into the potential tapering talk that Powell has talked about. And again, I didn't hear the speech, so I don't really know, but I did hear some rumbling that there might be some taper talk. In the meantime, the metals, gold has been unbelievably all over the place. And during the middle of the night, gold was up about 12, 13 bucks. It went down about 6. It was just up about another 12 or 13 bucks. And now it is up about 8. You know, where it'll be when you get this, I don't have any idea. Okay. We're still short. We're still short silver, which is only slightly higher. And platinum is trying to push up against that 1,000 level, bouncing off those flash crash lows. We don't trade it anymore, but we would be shorted at the moment if we did. And as we look down the curve, copper is higher and we are short. I reported incorrectly the last couple of days. My apologies. Natural gas continues to pop, interestingly enough. And of course, you know, when we talk about natural gas, this is the highest price it's been in August in about 10 years. Okay. We're still long. Bitcoin is up about 1,000 almost, which is bringing it back in the 48,000 or so level. Okay, look, at the end of the day, okay, we like the cryptos, and certainly this action is not bad for cryptos. It's actually probably more favorable, especially with all this imbecile central banking talk. You know, from the board standpoint, the stocks, you can trade those more actively. When you go to the actual currency itself, you can also, use, again, be a little bit more careful because those are not regulated exchanges with the exception of Coinbase. And that is the only one that I know of. Okay. So in the meantime, remember and be careful there. And in the grains, corn is lower. We're long. Soybeans are lower. We're short. Wheat is higher and we are long. And as we look into the cattle markets, feeder cattle is flat. Hogs are higher, we're short, we're long cattle, and fat cattle is also flat, which we are also long. And in the softs department, we are long them all, and cotton higher, coffee higher, sugar higher, cocoa higher, and OJ higher. So not a bad day in general. We're pretty long, but overall, again, this is thin, whippy, crappy trading, and it just sucks. I would suggest, if you don't have to be around, there's probably not much to do except get in trouble if you try to, trade into these markets. They're very thin and they rip them up and they rip them down. So in the meantime, have a great weekend, everybody. And remember our brokerage sponsors, which are, and I have many brokers, just to be clear, okay, but our brokerage partners for futures and commodities, CTG Group, the Capital Trading Group. Look, they're doing an awesome job. They're the only ones I've authorized for letter of direction. great customer service, great managed futures products, and they trade all my accounts. You want information there, go to info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. That's info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. And of course, our other brokerage partner in equities is Tradier. And again, I should only have to say $10 a month, but if you need more, we've got their APIs, which allows us to automate our equity portfolios at no cost to you. It's free. You can get the software either way if you want to execute yourself. You don't have to go to Tradier. All we're doing is offering you something that is basically free, $10 a month. So, that's all of your commission charges. And if you're paying any more than that, then you ought to consider it. But again, you don't have to. You can trade anywhere you want. But if you want automation, it is included in your membership if you're in the equity portfolios. So you want to check them out, Tradier.com. And of course, our brand new physical sponsor, gold and silver and platinum, and also a storage opportunity. And that is Strategic Wealth Preservation. And that's if you want to reach out to them, it's Sierra Whiskey Papa Charlie Alpha Yankee Michael Alpha November.com/Bubba-Trading. That's SWPCayman.com/Bubba-Trading. And our commodity report written by Andy Hecht. Again, if you're trading commodities and not reading this, shame on you. It is by far the best report in the industry and is a tremendous help to commodity traders. Check it out at BubbaTrading.com. It's called Technomental. And our high school program at Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba-Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba-Trading. Have a great weekend, everybody. If I miss anything, I'm sorry. I've been up all night. In the meantime, have a great weekend, and we'll see you back on Sunday with Bubba's Bottom Line, and of course on Monday with another Bubba's Daily Update. Have a great weekend, everybody. We'll see you later. Be careful out there.